The chemical process involved in the formation of salt is what? Combination, dehydration, neutralization, or synthesis. Neutralization process. It involves an acid at saka base na kung saan it will form a salt and water. Okay? And it will undergo that double replacement method. So let's go back again to the different types of chemical reactions. Single replacement, ang nangyayari dito is may nag-switch. Oh, may nag-switch ng partners dito. Okay? Si A, inagaw niya yung isa dyan sa other na reactant. Yan yung single replacement. Sa double displacement naman or double replacement, ano nangyari? Nag-switch silang dalawa. Nag-change partner sila. Okay, combination. From the word combination, synthesis, they are actually, or we are actually combining or merging the different what? The different reactants here. Okay guys ha? Reactant na sa left side, products na sa right side. So decomposition niya yung kabaliktaran ni combination or synthesis. So doon, sineparate natin yung reactant natin. And lastly, we have combustion. We should have that hydrocarbon plus that oxygen for it to have combustion. Ano yung output? Water at saka carbon dioxide if and only if that is a complete combustion. Magiging carbon monoxide na siya if and only if it will be a incomplete combustion.